How to add in Google Sheets. Now, if you want to add or sum on Google Sheets, so let's say that you have got a number like let's say 50 plus 90, and then you'd like to add these two numbers right here, right? Now, normally you don't enter that. What you do is just type in equals to. Once you type in equals to, enter the numbers that you'd like to add. So let's say I want equals to 50 plus 90. All I need to do is just press enter, and there I will see the results of that particular number. And this is simply how you can add it. So similarly, if you want to do subtract it, similarly 90 minus 50 equals, then you're going to find the answers to that. So this way you'll be able to add in Google Sheets. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.